Guys, today I'm here with RPGSHOW again. So it's the same packaging as usual. I got, the first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. I got a few goodies. I got a branded elastic band, a wax stick, a pair of wig caps, thank you card. Also got the information card with the details of today's wig. I got this bag, which is perfect for storage, which is branded, and lastly lace tapes. Is this like a long bob here? Oh my gosh, it's highlighted. Everything is pre-done for you, well, most things. So it is glueless. This is how the inside of the cap looks. It has a drawstring. It's an amazing feature to this wig. The ear portion is curved to accommodate your ear, so it sits comfortably on your head. It's a medium cap, by the way. There's this adjustable band inside, there are combs inside, and they're attached by velcro. So if you want to go ahead and remove this, it's really easy, very simple. The whole setup of this wig, the whole structure is very beginner friendly. The knots are already bleached, and this is Swiss lace. Nothing but the best from RPGSHOW. All right, now I must say I love how soft the hair is, despite it is colored, obviously from what you can see, and I love the colored job. All right, I didn't get a lot of shedding from today's wig at all. I really didn't. I think this wig right here would fit corporate. Like if you want to dibble and dabble in a little bit of color, but you don't want to go too loud on it, I think this wig right here would come in very handy. So if you're looking for something very easy, if you're on the go but you want to look very much well put together and trendy but not too bold, this wig is really a good option. Look at that lace. So I started to cut away the little extra lace that was left in the front here, as you can see, after I slipped the wig on. You cannot even see the lace. Yeah, as I said, nothing but the best from RPGSHOW. Their lace wigs are absolutely top tier. As you can see, the wig hairline is already pre-plucked, and it is just so easy to install. It's very much beginner friendly. You want something quick to just throw on, yeah, you have it right here. Okay, and this is pretty much all I had to do in terms of the front. I didn't have to apply any makeup to the lace because it is blended so well. Now for the drawstring portion, super easy. This is all you need to do. You literally just pull on the string to how tight you want it to be and adjust the knob that's on there, and I took away the excess beneath the cap. That's it. And it's super secure, so that's the reason why I'm shaking my head here, so you guys can see it's not going anywhere. All right, now this is how it came straight out of the box, right? It's already pre-styled. Yeah, you could go ahead and wear it effortless like that if you want, but as you can see, I'm showing you that I'm gonna go in and do further. You guys know I'm always doing a little bit more. I started to show you guys that you could definitely part this in other areas if you wish, so you could style it differently. So I was just playing around with a side part look, but I'm gonna keep the center part. All right, but the lace definitely gives scalp. Okay, yeah. And then I got my wax stick, and I'm gonna get the top flat with my hot comb, and pretty much I'm gonna go through the wig with my curling iron to refresh the curls. You don't have to if you don't feel like it. I'm just taking an extra step to style it or refresh this style. But if you want to wear it straight out of the box, you can. Like, RPGSHOW makes it very easy for you to do so. it just really and truly is, it makes life way easier. So you know what, if you're interested in today's wig, I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link for it down below in the description box. All the information that you need would be right there. Shout out to RPGSHOW once more for today's gorgeous wig. That's it for today's look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.